Hi everybody, it's Charity here, and I just wanted to let you know that today's video was filmed a few months ago. All of our videos are usually a month to a month and a half maybe behind as far as the time we film them to the time that we produce and release them on YouTube. So just wanted to give you a quick kind of real-time update for this week, and we are doing well, we are safe, we are following all of the CDC guidelines regarding social distancing and limiting our trips to the grocery store and things of that nature. So just wanted to let you know that and hope you enjoyed today's video. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Charity, and in 2018 my husband Ben and I set off to travel full-time with our family and explore the United States in our motorhome. Oh, and if you want to see some funny bloopers, keep watching. Today we are going to talk about some of the hottest trends for RVs for 2020, so be sure to stay tuned. So another one of the hottest trends for 2020 are camper vans. Now, camper vans can be a great way to be able to travel and still live the RV life on the go. Camper vans can be extremely easy to maneuver. You don't have to worry about some of the things you have to worry about with a traditional motorhome or a trailer setup. They're also very good for stealth camping. So you could pull into a parking lot or next to a lake, camp inside of your camper van, and kind of camp on the stealth, if you will. They also tend to be a little bit lower priced to get into them, and they also tend to have less maintenance costs overall than a traditional motorhome. So one of the things that's definitely trending for 2020 are these camper vans. Another one of the hottest trends for 2020 in the RV world is these smaller, lightweight campers. Now, there's all sorts of options, from the smaller teardrop ones that basically just have a bed with some electricity with an outdoor kitchen, or these like the ones behind me in the Max line, where you can still go inside, have a place to change, have your kitchen inside, but they're super lightweight, which means RVing is now accessible for anybody because these can be towed even with most SUVs. You always want to check the towing capacity on your particular vehicle, but these are so lightweight that it really opens up the possibility to be towed with most SUVs and small trucks on the market. Another one of the hottest trends for 2020 in the RV world are these off-grid type campers. Now, these are built to be able to go places your traditional camper can't. So if you are somebody that wants to be able to get way out in the backwoods or go to those remote wilderness areas and kind of have more of a true camping experience with a few creature comforts, then these are something that you should definitely check out. It's actually not that bad. Pretty spacious. Bed is pretty spacious. My feet are not touching the bottom, and probably could sit up and change clothes in here if I needed to. Another one of the RVs we see trending for 2020 are toy haulers. Now, these have become very popular in the RV community and amongst a lot of full-timers, and for good reason. You've got areas like this and a lot of toy haulers that you can set up as a patio, as a porch, set chairs out, enjoy the sun. A lot of full-timers will even take the garage area of toy haulers and convert that into whatever is needed for them, whether it's a mobile on the road office or a bunk room for kids, a spot for the toys. Really, the sky is the limit because these types of spaces are very versatile. The other thing you see in a lot of toy haulers is 2 bathrooms. So you have a bathroom in the back and then also a bathroom in the front, which is very conducive to full-time RV living to have those 2 bathrooms when you're on the road full-time. Another trending RV that we see for 2020 are the Super Cs. Now, these are trending because they're very, very comfortable to drive with that wider wheelbase. Most of them have a diesel engine, which means they are very powerful, have a lot of towing capacity to tow either a trailer or a vehicle behind it. They also just are very roomy on the inside and pretty versatile as well for an actual drivable motorhome. So be on the lookout for Super Cs to be on the rise in 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video about the hottest trends for RVs in 2020. One of the greatest compliments you can pay us is to share this video with others. So use the share button and send the link to friends or family that might be interested in seeing this particular video. As always, thank you for watching. We invite you to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're notified every time we post a new video, which is weekly. I don't know what to say. Hit the like button. Do the things.
Try it again.
Okay.
What's up, Andrew? Oh, Joe and Joe.
Andrew, hey Andrew.
Yo, Andrew. What's up? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and